Watch out.
A mouthful, a face full of water.
One more. Watch out.
Nicholas, wait until Nicholas moves.
Wait, turn around, Nick. You can do better than that. There goes Nick.
I can do this over here too.
Oh.
I can do it some over here too.
Can you go that way?
And I can do the jump too.
Yes, you can.
Buddy, it's fun.
Jimmy cannonballed in.
Nicholas.
Literally cannonballed in.
You did a spin-in.
That was cool, John.
That's called a cannonball, John.
Okay, yeah, no more cannonballs.
Why?
I thought he was going to bounce off the side. He's going to go swing the water.
Oh my goodness. Okay, okay, please.
Wait,
No, wait for Nicholas, he's in the way.
Oh.
Oh my lord.
That's a really bad idea.
Yeah, no more, okay.
Why can't we catch up?
That's a big splash.
On a table.
Okay, thank you.
Woo! Did you do fountains?
I did. Yeah. Good job, buddy.
Watch here. See is that the one? Yeah, I like balloon big.
Oh, careful.
Okay, big 1, 2, 3,
Ready?
jump. 1, 2, 3,
Go, jump, go, Nicholas.
What's this?